Hello Vietmaxon family and welcome back to my channel. Make my day by smash that like button. Alright guys, today we are going to take a look at NKN. NKN is a small cap. I think the market cap right now is below 100 million. I covered NKN last year, I do believe. What NKN is? NKN stands for a new kind of peer-to-peer network. They are growing. There are over 57,000 nodes in their blockchains right now, and it is increasing every day. They have this product, which is really impressive, Data Rye. Data Rye is a decentralized platform as a service of fast, reliable, secure, and low-cost messaging, streaming, and file transfer service for person-to-person, machine-to-human, as well as machine-to-machine communications. And these are all the use cases. And if you're interested in finding out more about NKN, you may want to go to their website and look at that. Another product they have is N-Mobile. N-Mobile stands for Messaging Without Borders. Basically, these are all the benefit of using N-Mobile. Lastly, it's called N-Connect. What is N-Connect? Complete remote access solution with stronger security and privacy. Again, you may want to go to their website to learn more about what NKN is and what their products is all about if you're interested in looking at NKN. But yesterday I was observing NKN and NKN is breaking out. The minute it crossed over 11 cents, 11 cents was the major supply area that NKN was having a hard time to cross over. Every time when it tried to push past that. And finally today, it pretty much busted through. And right now it is trading at 12.7 cents. Looking at this chart, all the indication is NKN is about to embark on a major bullish trend, moving up. Why? First of all, let's look at this chart very quickly. First, after spike up and then returns, NKN set up all this higher low. And we draw this downward trend line. As you can see, the price was trending down below the 200 days moving average, then it drifted low below the 50 days, and then continue to trade below this downward trend line. And around August of last year, we saw this major spike up, pretty good buying volume. But the minute it ran up and tested this upward trend line, it got rejected. So that was a bearish move. And then the price got pushed down, consolidate, make another push. But the minute it ran up and tested this downward trend line again, got rejected. Same as before, retrade, consolidate, and now at the beginning of the year it make this move upward. And finally around January of this year it crossed over the downward trend line, and now it is trading outside of this downward trend line. So this is an indication that there's a very high probability that the downward trend pretty much ended, and now we're seeing the beginning of this uptrend. Now, another key indicator is when NKN reversed direction and traded up. As you can see, the short-term moving average, the 10-day, which is this red line, it was trading below the 50 days, and then the 200 days finally crossed over the 50 days, and then the 200 days. And just today, you see the 50 days cross over now. It is leading the 200 days. This is what we call as golden cross, a very, very bullish indicator. There are still another, I don't know, like 8 hours before the end of the trading days. But as you can see, volume is definitely picking up. Since I started recording this video, NKN was up 11%, now it's up 14.5%, and the trend is still trending up. Let's quickly look at the hourly chart. As you can see, NKN was traded sideways, consolidate, make this move up, ran up to about 11 cents, and then consolidate. Formed this really nice bull flag here. And then today, it broke out and crossed over this 11 cents. So if we look at this, a rough estimate for the target of this flag should take it up to about like 15 and a half cents. Given the momentum, most likely would push it up to retest this prior high at around 16 and a half cents. So as part of this breakout of this flag, I do expect NKN to trade it up and hit the target of 16 and a half cents. Now go back to the daily chart again. If we look at the Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band just started to expand. So this is an indication that there's a lot more momentum to support this run up in price. And we finally have this very bullish signal, which is golden cross, 50 days crossover, and now it is leading the 200 days. If we look at the history of NKN, the last time when such an event occurred, we see the price spike up by a lot. Back around February of 2021, when we had this golden cross and can spike from about 2 penny all the way to, let's see here, $1.50. And then again, we had this crossover at this point. NKN eventually ran from 36 cents all the way to 82 cents. And now we are starting to see this bullish signal again. So that's why I believe that as part of the breakout of this little bull flag here, NKN would likely run up and retest this prior high. We could see some sort of a consolidation, or what I call is pushback, before NKN would continue this uptrend. And my near-term target would be right at this prior high, which is around 23 cents. Now, NKN is a very good project, low market cap, less than 100 million. At one point, NKN was trading as high as $1.50. Right now, it is trading about 12 cents. So if NKN can eventually run up and retest the all-time high, we are looking at 10x plus easily. So for me, right now, all the signals are pointing to a great opportunity to begin accumulate NKN. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content. And if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.